On Happy Facts Lifestyle, we try to focus on holistic growth, both internal and external. Therefore, today we look at how to take care of your skin and natural ingredients to help you get glowing skin. We all want great skin. Not only is it attractive and healthy, but it can help build confidence in people. However, skincare isn't just about looking great. Many people suffer from skin conditions that can lead to discomfort and affect normal day-to-day activities or sleep at night. I myself am a perfect example of this. Since young, I've suffered from eczema and have sensitive skin. This meant I couldn't play out in the sun too long as my dry skin would flare up, and after swimming lessons my skin would become scaly and incredibly itchy. It wasn't particularly pleasant, and even though I have made significant progress today, I have to take great care of my skin to ensure I don't suffer as I have in the past. In this video, not only do we look at lifestyle changes that can help improve your skin, we'll also look at natural ingredients that can help your skin look its best. Before we get into caring for your skin, if you enjoyed today's video, please give us a like and subscribe to the channel for more contents like this. Taking care of your skin is directly related to how well you take care of your mental and physical well-being. Therefore, it's vital to ensure that you lead a healthy lifestyle to improve your skin. This begins with your diet, which is vital in ensuring your skin is not only nourished, but healthy. As the saying goes, you are what you eat. If you don't eat well, then not only does your health decline, but it directly affects your skin. However, it's not necessarily as simple as eating greasy foods will mean your skin will be prone to acne. Instead, studies have shown that eating dairy and specifically drinking lots of milk can lead to poor skin. This doesn't mean to cut out dairy, but rather limit it or get it through other foods such as yogurt. What is needed is you need to ensure that you eat plenty of fruit and veg. Why? Because studies have shown that eating a high fiber diet with lots of fruit and veg is highly beneficial for the skin. We've done a whole video on what your diet should contain, so for more info please click on the link in the description below. Sticking to the theme of what you consume, water is essential to healthy skin. Not only does water clear out unhealthy toxins that could lead to skin problems, but it also hydrates the skin, keeping it in its healthiest state. Water actually serves another benefit, as when it's warm, it will mean you will sweat, which can actually help unclog and open up pores. However, just ensure that you clean the sweat off your skin, as leaving it for too long can actually serve to have the opposite effect, potentially causing skin conditions to flare up. Again, we've created a video about the benefits of drinking water, which we'll include in the description. The next factor to consider is to ensure that you get plenty of sleep at night. This is because during the night, just as the rest of your body is recovering and resting from a hard day's work, the skin is also recovering from the day's activities. In addition to biological recovery, feeling less tired reduces the appearance of wrinkles, ensuring your skin looks its best during the day. Tiredness can also increase the feeling of stress and anxiety, both of which can cause skin flare-ups which are extremely difficult to control. Don't forget, your skin can say a lot about you, not just your physical health, but your mental well-being. Your skin also faces a number of harsh conditions during the day, which can damage and dry out the skin. Therefore, it's vital to use moisturizers to keep hydrated and maintain skin to keep it in its healthiest state. Now I know many guys watching this might think, I'm a manly man, don't need anything. To which I say, open your eyes and get with the program. In today's world, skincare is for everyone and women want a guy who can take care of himself. In addition to moisturizing, you need to keep your skin clean. You can wash your face once or twice a day to remove dirt and clear clogged pores. Make sure you exfoliate the skin, and I'd recommend using a gentle cleanser to ensure no dirt or oils are left behind. However, wash with lukewarm water. Don't wash too often, and always moisturize after you wash your face. This is because actually water dries out the skin, so you want to ensure that it stays hydrated. Personally, I highly recommend using a facial cleansing brush. These can be bought for relatively cheap, though some of the higher end products can get quite pricey. The brush cleans your face and removes excess dirt and oil. The truth is, I hadn't used one until this past year, but it's made a huge difference to my skin and has reduced my skin problems significantly. Finally, use a sunscreen. It's astonishing to see in this day and age that despite knowing the potential damage UV rays can cause on our skin, many people still avoid using sunscreen. Even if you have darker skin, you need to use this. Now, we've discussed some of the common examples of skincare, but I also wanted to discuss a few natural ingredients that I highly recommend to incorporate in your skincare routine. The first is including turmeric as part of your diet and even as an ingredient in facial masks if you use them. This is because turmeric has natural antibacterial and detoxifying properties to help combat acne. This isn't new and has been known for millennia, as in India, as part of the Hindu wedding ceremonies, many brides and grooms have a ritual where they are covered in turmeric paste to ensure their skin is flawless on the day of the wedding. Coconut oil is also extremely good for healthy skin. This is because it's great for strengthening underlying epidermal tissue, removing dead skin cells, protecting us from sunburns, and containing antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal, and antioxidant properties. Coconut oil is also equally great for healthy hair. Alternatively, tea tree oil can serve to have the same benefits and can be used instead. Apple cider vinegar, if you don't mind the smell, also has great properties to encourage healthy skin. Vinegar not only helps control acne, but actually has antifungal properties, helping skin to stay its healthiest. Apple cider vinegar contains acetic acids and vitamins like potassium and magnesium to help make it a detoxifying agent when consumed. Raw honey is incredible for skincare as it helps maintain and manage healthy skin by providing moisturizing properties, fighting allergies or rashes, or helping to reduce scars. Honey is often used in facial masks because of its health properties, so I highly recommend incorporating it into your skincare, especially if, like me, you're prone to eczema or other skin conditions. Finally, I'd highly recommend avocados for skincare. Due to the healthy fats contained in avocados, the fruit actually has incredible moisturizing properties to help ensure healthy skin. Applying avocados externally onto the skin or eating it can help control flare-ups in your skin. We want to help you feel amazing, and part of feeling great comes from how you perceive your looks. Many of us struggle with some kind of skin condition, and as such it's vital for self-confidence and happiness to try and have healthy skin. Many of the tips in here don't just benefit the skin, but actually help promote a healthy lifestyle to help you be the amazing individual you are. In this video I've given a lot of different tips to how to improve your skin. However, I've not covered everything, so if you have any suggestions, please leave them down in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel and of course give us a thumbs up.